doing a Valentine's Day makeup look, and it's a very subtle makeup look but very pretty, very angelic, and you guys will look so cute for a Valentine's date. But like honestly, if you have no date and your date is with Netflix, then you do you, boo, because to be honest, that's me on my Valentine's. And I heard Netflix is increasing the price, which is just very rude, but you know what, boys disappoint us more. So went from 0 to 100 very quick. Very quick. So you guys will realize throughout the video I was very iffy about this eye look. I think it's really pretty, and I think I would definitely use this if I had a date, you know. So yeah, before you guys continue with this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You know the deal with that. And yeah, let's just get started with the video. Okay, so I'm not really feeling this eye look, so I think I have to wear foundation and concealer and all that. Probably by the time you guys see the intro, I will let you know if I like it or not. It is extremely simple. Like the eyeshadow part literally will take you 5 minutes the most probably. I'm going to take Cupcake eyeshadow with Coastal Scents BR250 brush. And I'm just going to apply that into my crease.
I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin.
And then I'm just going to also put it all over my eyelids. Then I'm going to go into Makeugpgeek Unexpected eyeshadow, which is like a lilac purple. We're going to put that on my outer crease. Now that that's done, I'm going to take my NYX Vivid Brights pink eyeliner, and I'm just gonna draw a wing eyeliner. I'm gonna make it very thick at the wing, just like that. I can't do a perfect wing without my mirror, so if you guys can't see what I'm doing, I'm so sorry. Now why we do this is because we just want a base for where our glitter will stick to. So we want it to look quite pink. We don't want it to look very sheer, so that's why we put on the pink eyeliner first. So for glitter, I'm going to be using this bulk glitters, and this is in the shade Dusty Rose Pink. I'm going to wait for it to dry, and I'm going to use my e.l.f. glitter glue.
Swear that I'm fainting, I think I'm losing my sight. I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter. I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like.
I'm gonna wait for it to dry. I'm gonna give it like 1 to 2 minutes for it to dry. Then I'm going to show you a trick to remove and make sure like all excess glitter is off your eye so that it won't come off throughout the day. Okay, so I've removed most of the glitters off my face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a fan brush that looks just like this, and you're just going to take this and just go against your eye. I know a lot of you guys are going to be like, oh my god, that's a glittery mess. But you'll be surprised that not a lot of glitter will come off. So what we're just going to do is just going to so most of the excess glitter got off, and they're not on my face as much, but they're mostly on this brush. So, and what I like about it being on a brush, you can just like literally do this and it's off your brush. So still, I feel like when I did that, a little bit of the glitter came off, like the ones that I wanted to stay came off. I'm just gonna refix that. And then for lashes, I'm just gonna be using the Huda Beauty Samantha lashes. Let's just get started with the face. So because we're going on a Valentine's date, well, so apparently, I'm going to take my Chanel Le Blanc de Chanel Base Illuminate. I know you guys are going to be like, damn, you bougie. Like, yes, because apparently I'm going on top of the MBS. You know, the one, the shit thingy? Yeah, I'm going there with my imaginary date. And I'm apparently I'm in love. And I don't know, I'm kind of feeling it, you know?
I'm kind of feeling it.
In reality, I would literally be watching TV at home. Probably watching Netflix. That's the actual tea here. You want your skin to be very glowy. Not because of day nights or whatever, but like I feel like when you go out at night, it's better for your skin to be glowy so that you look very lit from within. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to take my Chanel Perfection Lumiere foundation. I haven't used this in so long, but I know every single time I use it, I love it. I'm going to mix it a little bit with my Catrice Prime and Fine just to make sure that it matches me. Now it looks like it's too dark for me, but never mind. We have concealer. I love this foundation so much. I remember when I first put it on, it was the first time I ever used it. My brother-in-law never ever comments on my makeup because like it's not his thing and he doesn't really care. And then there was that one day he saw, like, I was wearing this foundation. I didn't tell anyone obviously because there was no point. And my brother-in-law just came up to me. He was like, "Damn, your skin looks amazing." And I'm like, oh, damn, Chanel, you make my brother-in-law say that my skin looks amazing. Oh my god, my skin looks so good. Like on camera it looks so glowy and beautiful, and in real life it looks so glowy and beautiful. Like I'm just like emitting glow. I did not put on earrings. So I want a cream contour because I feel like I haven't cream contoured in so long. I'm gonna use the Fenty Mocha Matchstix because I basically don't use anything else but this apparently. So for concealer, I'm gonna take my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. It's my favorite concealer ever.
I could swear that this room has been running out of air. And
now this concealer is a little bit too light for me, if you guys can see. But I kind of already bought it, so I can't really do much, right? To set my face and also my under eye, I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder. And I'm in the shade Pound Cake. For too long because seriously not needed. And then just going to set my whole entire face. Okay. Yeah, sure. No, I don't like Casper the Ghost. Oh my god. Okay. Tip, don't look like Casper the Friendly Damn Ghost on your date, okay? To bronze my face, I'm going to take my Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. And let's like this. Oh my god, you guys can see my teacup. I'm just going to bronze the shit out of my face because apparently Khadijah decided to go as Casper the Friendly Ghost for Valentine's. Don't know why though. I love using this bronzer to like warm my skin up because sometimes like I really be looking like Casper the Friendly Damn Ghost. I'm gonna contour my face and I'm using Benefit Hoola bronzer. You guys, seriously one of the best contour bronzer to contour your cheekbones. Like god damn. Now because I feel like the eyes are pink, so I want to go for a pink theme. So for my blush, I'm going to take my Jouer Coquette Blush Duo, and I'm going to mix the two shades, which is Seduce Me and Tease Me. You guys probably can't see that on camera, but I was shocked. Now I love a good blush and I love a lot of blush. So you do you, but I'm just going to put this like literally all over my face. For highlight, I'm going to take this MAC highlighter. Now, it's a goldy pink highlight. Like if you do it like that, it looks gold, as you guys can see. And you do it like that, it's pink. It has a lot of pink reflex in it. I am so excited to put this on my cheek, but also like very scared because how if it literally turns into a pink mess, like not in a cute way. But like, first of all, look at that like embossment. Absolutely stunning. By the way, this is in the shade Snow Flush. It's just gonna be a pink highlight, which is not gonna be nice just because my blush is very pink, so it's actually gonna mesh in. Because it's very pink, it actually blends into my actual blush, which is not the look we're going for. We want it to really stand out. I'm gonna take Jeffree Star's Summer Snow Cone highlight, just a basic yellow highlight basically, and I am going to put it right on top. I'm gonna do the lower lash line off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, now that I did the lower lashes, I feel like the look is coming together. It looks very subtle but very cute at the same time. So for the lips, I'm gonna mix 2 shades because I don't want it to be too pink and I don't want it to be too nude also, because I want to keep in with the theme of pink. So I'm gonna mix Anastasia Beverly Hills Allison with Stripped. I actually want to mix it with Pure Hollywood, but I can't find it. I'm so upset because it's literally one of my favorite shades ever.
Swear that I'm fainting, I think I'm losing my sight, I swear I'm hitting the floor.
So yeah, this is the completed look. I am actually super in love with this eye look and like this look in general. I think I look very glowy, very cute, very girly, very angelic. Totally not what I am, but it's the kind of vibe that I'm giving with this makeup look. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know what other looks you guys want to see next. If you guys want me to do some like festive kind of makeup looks, I don't know, like I really don't know. Let me know if you guys will be recreating this look for Valentine's Day or maybe just at home because, you know, single and we're happy. And we're independent and we don't need no boys to make our life feel good, or girls, because, you know, we got ourselves. I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's and I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you girls. Bye. Mwah.